All right, welcome guys, and we are going to talk about crypto again today, and today is my second video. Please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family members so that they can earn and make good hell lot of money when it's time. And this is the best time to be in crypto. Once again, welcome back to my channel, Crypto the Money Multiplier. I'll put down my link about Twitter and Instagram so that you can follow and get the latest update there as well. So today I'm here to talk about few things that I have uh, searched and found out few things, and the important question is that Bitcoin can hit $98,000 by the end of November. It's a big question marks. If you ask me personally, yes, I can think it is possible. And well, we are going to discuss about it. Only 2 weeks left. Can it not? We'll discuss about it. Well, now here is the thing. If you look at it, why it can all of a sudden, if you look Bitcoin, let me pull out the chart here. What it shows that last night it went up from 60 to 62k, then to 65k, and then back to 64, and then it is trading around 65k. Now $65,000, not bad. A couple of weeks back we were crying it to go over 60k, and now it is over 60k. Now we are crying that why it is not over 69k. So guys, keep your patience out there. It will happen. Now, just so that you know, BTC closed highest weekly close just before it was about to get over, and we could see out there that it happened in about, let me see, in the chart shows in about an hour and 30 minutes it pulled up like 3,000 US dollars. Anyway, what I just want to inform you is that Bitcoin is going higher and higher. You may not notice, you may notice, and you try to pull up your money out of Bitcoin and put it into altcoin, which I don't mind. And what I think is that it's good to take out profit, keep it on the side. When it pulls back, you buy again more. Anyway, now we go other further things, and what we see is that why Bitcoin can go to 98k or it cannot. Well, nobody knows, but the way the chart showing the pattern is getting followed from 2013 and 2017, and then plan B prediction. Those who do not know who plan B is, let me tell you, plan B is someone who predicted his Bitcoin prediction, and that hit in the month he created. When, let me check that out. Okay. He predicted it in the month of June for July, August. Forgive me. He did it for in the month of July, which he achieved in the month of August, then month of September, October he achieved it, and now the fourth month, which is going to be his biggest test for the theory of his life that he has made. Anyway, let's proceed further. What we have got here for you important is that well, the thing is, guys, that one more thing I want to add on to it. Okay, what I was thinking about Elon Musk. Well, everybody knows him, or alien. I don't know what to call him. Well, anyway, Elon Musk, who owns Tesla, Now let me tell you, Tesla is a billion-dollar company. It went up to 46% in about a couple of weeks. Now Tesla holds as much as, when it comes to the market capital, close to Bitcoin, a little less I would say. Now it went up 46%. When a Tesla can go up to 46% in about a couple of weeks, why cannot Bitcoin go up? That is the question mark. Well, I certainly think that it can go up. Can you? Since Bitcoin has more exposure, when you talk about young people, older people, people of all generation, they are getting into it. Anyway, let's proceed further. What it is trying here is, in my research, that shows because if you look at 2013 chart, 2017 chart, I would say that 2021 chart is being followed exactly, guys. That is the best part. Exactly the way the chart were proceeding, and exactly this is how it is showing. Now, little deviation from 2017 2013 chart, but following the same path. Little deviation but following the same path. So you have got to hold on to it. Do not panic. Again, I would say, do not panic, guys. Do not panic, sell. Now next is let me check. Well, what I exactly want to say, that we can mimic about all these, and all I would say that you have to stay focused, stay positive, so that all the information that I see here, it's amazing, and just hold on to it. The gains will come to you. You don't have to chase the gains. If you chase the gains, eventually it will come down, and then again you'll be like, should I sell, should I not sell? You get scalped. Don't be like one of those fools, those who follow the gains and chase it and then try to gain the profit. Well, anyway, next one we proceed up to is, in my research here, is that one of the Twitter account where I saw, his name is Nicholas Martin. Most of you will be knowing it. If you don't, then search for it. And what he said is that he says Bitcoin is not going to reach 100k, but I am certain in my mind that it will reach 100k. Well, he's trying to make it complicated. Well, I would say that in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to reach 100k by the end of this month. Anyway, Jack Dorsey, you all know that CEO of Twitter, what he's saying that, well, in short, I would say it's mentioned long, but I would say that he's going to launch his own DeFi product on Bitcoin. If those who did not know, it could be, I'm not sure, but it could be a payment app or DEX, or on the payment, or payment on the DEX. But it's very interesting to know that he is going to come up with a DeFi product on Bitcoin. That's amazing. Next is, well, outside of Bitcoin, I want to talk about stagnant project that most of you do not know. That's WaxP. Those of you do not know WaxP, it what exactly it is that it has got a gaming project, and it's all about a non-fungible token, in short, NFT. Most of you know it already. I was on Twitter actually the other day, and it showed that WaxP allows you to play and earn NFT. Just try to understand, you can play, at the same time you can earn NFT, which is going to be the future of metaverse. Mm, well, guess who is right under Ethereum? That's WaxP. Those who do not know, and rest is showing that WaxP has 2.5 times above Solana in terms of NFT sale. If you don't know, there is a lot of potential in it, and has a lot of NFT, but the best on WaxP. That's the best thing. And going forward, I am going to pay more attention on WaxP so that I can give you more updates and you can make much more profit accordingly. uh, Rest, we proceed to next in my discovery and research is Chiliz, CHZ. Those who do not know, they have a ton of sports club waiting to sign them up, and they are ready to enter NFTs as well. And that is the reason you must have seen that in last a week or 10 days, Chiliz has gone up like massive. I would say almost 40% or so if you look at it. Anyway, a few questions that I received on Twitter, that I want to bring them up and want to talk about. Somebody asked me, what's your favorite color? Well, it has got to be green. It has got to be green. No, I'm kidding. It's actually blue, or blue or something. I don't care that much about color and all. Now, somebody asked me about Kadena, so I'm gonna say that Kadena is coming soon on Coinbase. Those who don't know, Coinbase and Binance, and already they have been following exactly 3 months back how Solana was doing, and Kadena is somewhere somewhat following the same route. So you will not be surprised. You should not be surprised if Kadena comes in top 10 crypto. You should not be surprised. So it's good time to get into it. Next is well, all the Bitcoin stocks doing really well, if you ask me personally, because Bitcoin itself is doing so well. MicroStrategy, Voyagers doing so well, and especially MicroStrategy. If you don't know that they bought the Bitcoin, entire wealth of Bitcoin was about, I would say, around 2.7 billion dollars, and now they are holding around 8 billion dollars with the profit when Bitcoin is above $60,000. Now, next. Oh, well, look at here. What we have got is mm, well, I want to add one thing before we proceed, that Bitcoin is now at 60K. Now everybody has forgotten that Bitcoin was 20K or 30K uh, almost 2.5 or 3 months back, and now everybody is so pumped up that they want to buy even at 60K. So when everybody was shouting out everywhere, every news channel, TV, or Twitter, Instagram, or I know, I don't know why people were so scared that time buying Bitcoin at 30K, and now they are happily buying over 60K. That's funny. That's funny to me, at least. Anyway, let's proceed. CKB, the nervous network, has done really well in last 2 weeks. I would say a little less than 2 weeks, even 10 days or so. They have done well. They sent, like, nervous layer 2 has God Waken. It's called God Waken. That's a pumped gaming. That is a pumped gaming, and they have bridges, and seems promising, guys. Seems promising to me. Helium, I would talk about, which short known HNT. I missed out personally. If you ask me, I missed out on it when they got to 5G and Dish network, and now allowing anyone on 5G network Helium. And that's progressively, if you must have noticed that in last 4 days or so, they have gone up almost 2.5 10x. So guys, it's a good project. I missed out. Just do your own research and then get onto it. I would not say that it's a financial advice, but do your own research. I'm just a financial enthusiastic which makes video for entertainment and at the same time sharing my knowledge what I would do. Now helium, I would not buy it at this price yet. I might if it continues growing up, which I see for now, but do your own research, guys, before you get into it. ADA, Cardano, God, it is holding tight, guys, holding tight. It's not going up, it's not going down, but it is holding tight. Well, anyway, ADA and Nervous, which is CKB, Nervous Network, it is going to get a kickstart, especially ADA. Cardano is going to get a kickstart after the Sunday swap, which is for Cardano. That is for sure. They are going to kick off from there. So guys, accumulate as much as you can. Internet computer, haven't been following much, but looks promising with the pricing that I see on the chart. Okay, yeah, looks good, guys, looks good. And looks good, looks promising to me at least. Rest, you do your own research, guys, before you get into any of the discussions that we are making here. Well, anyway, next is what we are going to talk about. UFO, it's going to be added on Coinbase, guys. Before it's added, try and grab it on other platform, Gate.io or somewhere that you are aware of. It has been doing good in last 7 days. Next we talk about Kadena. Jesus, Kadena, you can earn Kadena and Flux both. You just have to put the code that's been provided to you while buying, and you will get it on some of the platform. I'm not sure where, but in some of the platform when you can earn Kadena and Flux both. Anyway, next we talk about Polkadot. Polkadot is it will continue to go up, guys. It has slowed down a little, but it will continue to go up. I had it, but I sold it. I sold it, and now it looks promising. Now I'm thinking, why did I sell it? Anyway, next what I like is Avalanche. Yeah, Avalanche and Terra is and even Polkadot. These are all Layerchain, layer 1, guys, layer 1, and it is going to go up. What you should look up is who is some of you look at who is going 1000x, or there is no guarantee which one is going 1000x. What you should do is that you should look for promising coins, and promising coins, I would say those who are big cap to mid cap, that they are promising. So you should look for those instead of looking for 1000x gains and so on. Anyway, next is I want to talk about Sheba a little for a while. I want to talk about is that Sheba is growing fast. It actually grew fast, then it slowed down, and now it is holding on tight at a price. Where I say that Coinbase is still looking forward to list Sheba on Coinbase, and once it happens, it is going to go rocket, guys. So if you have it already, just hold on to it. If you bought it at a higher price, just hold on to it. Those who are already in a profit, 2x or 100% profit or whatever it is, just hold on to it, guys. No point in just selling it yet. Anyway, I like crypto.com. It is doing so well. Guys, those who have not checked it out, check it out, crypto.com. It is doing so well in recent days. Next one is I want you to know one thing. What I do, and I suggest everyone to do it. Diversify your portfolio. What when I say diversify your portfolio, that will be like 50, 25, 25. When I talk about 50, 25, 25, what I meant was that 50% you put it into large cap, that's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Then you go 25 to mid cap, that will be the coins somewhere around the rank of 10 to 20, 20 to 30, something like that. And then rest 30 to 100, I consider them small cap, where you can put it. So big cap, BTC, well, large cap, you would say. Big cap and then small cap, 50, 25, 25. Next one is someone asked me actually, so I'm gonna say that it's about investment, how you should invest 20k if you had it. I would say that 20k investment in crypto, that will be enough, guys. Once you retire after 10 years, it'll be enough, trust me. But buying a big market cap, and it will be fine. You can trust on it, you can count on it, and it shall be fine. But if you are buying really low cap projects, if you invest 10k, you never know. It might go up to 10x. I would say it might go up to 10x, but it can go lower as well. So what promising is just put it into some big market cap that you have done your research on, and then it'll be fine. Mina is a very low cap, very low KV actually, not cap but KV. Uh, I'm not interested in Mina. Somebody asked me, that's why I talked about. Next one is asking someone about ADA. I already told you guys that ADA after this Sunday swap is going to go ballistic. Trust me, ADA. If you don't have it in your portfolio, do so. It has been holding tight from last a couple of weeks, and it is ready to go skyrocket. Trust me, Cardano is going to go rocket. Well, look, the thing is about NFT and everything is that music industry, lots of artists are getting into NFTs. What it means is that NFTs are promising. So if you're not yet into it, get into it. Polymath, somebody asked, I would say that they were supposed to launch a security, but the SEC is against. SEC, those who do not know, it is Security and Exchange Commission from the US. They are against it. So Polymath, the price is okay to buy, but you never know if it will go higher from here or not. But do your own research before you get into it. Digibyte, a lot of people were talking about Digibyte. It's kind of dead, man. It's kind of dead. They are into layer 2 tokenization, and they are staying on a payment method, but they're not good. They're not looking promising. Yeah. No. Well, next one is yeah, that's about it, guys. What I want to say overall, BTC is doing good. Don't panic, guys. If Tesla can go, like I discussed, 40 to 50% up, why not Bitcoin in about 2 weeks? Well, anyway, guys, with all these discussions, I want to end this video up now, and smash the like and subscribe the channel, guys. See you tomorrow, and share with your friends and family. Do follow, guys. It will keep me motivated. Do like, it will keep me motivated to come up with such and great news every day, every single day, guys. And have a good one, guys. Bye. Take care.